Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go premium in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. Here it opens up in the messages menu, but we have to either swipe right or tap on the three lines in the top left corner to proceed. Here in this little list, we have to go into settings, and in settings, we have to scroll down a bit and find Telegram Premium. It sparkles a bit the little star, so it's easy to find. We tap on Telegram Premium, and here we can select how we want the premium to be billed, and then tap on subscribe. And here we can select the card we want to pay with, and yeah, then proceed by tapping on subscribe in the bottom. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.